This pine tree sheds its skin like a living painting. Meet the Lacebark Pine, Pinus bungeana. Born in the mountains of central China, this extraordinary tree peels away its outer bark in jigsaw-like plates to reveal a canvas of color that shifts with the seasons and deepens with age. This tree can live for over 1,000 years. Some specimens in Chinese temple grounds are documented at more than 9 centuries old. It grows slowly, adding just 15 to 30 centimeters a year, but it reaches up to 25 meters tall given enough time. In Beijing's Forbidden City, ancient Lacebark pines are individually registered and protected as national heritage trees. Unlike most pines, its needles come in bundles of 3, and the bark, arguably the most ornamental of any pine on Earth, becomes more vivid and complex as the tree ages. Give it well-drained soil and full sun. That's where the bark colors really come alive. Plant in early spring or early autumn, spacing it 6 to 10 meters from other trees so the bark stays visible and the canopy has room to develop. Do plant it where people can see and appreciate that bark up close, near paths, windows, or entryways. Don't plant in waterlogged or heavy clay soil. It won't tolerate wet feet. And don't expect fast results. This tree rewards patience over decades. A tree that takes centuries to reach its prime and then keeps going for centuries more. The Lacebark Pine reminds us that the most beautiful things are worth waiting for. Restore, protect, inspire.